Oh, hello everybody. Today, guys, we are back with another video in Brooklyn. Sorry, exactly. Someone is a change the thing exactly. You. Oh, where is what is going on right now? Change the bicycle. Oh, is that like Yep. Why my dress is that? Are you seriously or not? But okay, I will change. Oh my god. Yeah, I am a robot. I am a robot. I am a robot. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, now I will find my friend. Where does he go? I am Ron. Oh my gosh. He said, I am Ron. I am Ron. Oh my gosh, I have to save my friend. Exactly, not my best friend. Where does he go? Yeah, Mills the King. He is a bad boy. No, I will. Why I am crying? Why I am crying? Gone away. Oh my gosh. Exactly. Reptile. Oh my gosh. This is Puck. I have to kill him because he is my bad boy and I hate Puck. I am not bad for him. Please go block him and subscribe to me. Not him because he's stupid. Okay, guys. This is my boy and his friend. His friend is very stupid. Are you seriously? Yeah, but see, oh, nice animation. This is a prank. Gone away. Okay, it's gone away. Oh yeah, it's gone away. Oh yeah. Have to get money quickly. Oh, Minecraft time. Episode 10. Wizard boss versus Wizard bros. Oh my god, that will be nice fight. The one will watch exactly. Oh, Javex, here we are. You're so awesome on this channel. I know. Okay, go subscribe to him. No way. You Brian, I can kill you. Like, what did you got? Oh, isn't it? Is the exact I will not watch another video. Job. Okay, guys. Okay, that's it. Is your baby is crying? Why he is happy? You have to say, wow, I am the. Okay, you have to stop him. He's baby. Why you are a okay, I don't care. Whatever. Wow. Okay. She's running a track star. Oh my gosh. What is going on right now, guys? What is going on? Where is he? Someone is trying to stop me. But we are at 5 a.m. exactly. So time to sleep is head. And I will destroy my PC. And now it's the end. Okay, nothing happened. Lol. We are on night. That's called the turn off. and I finish my school at 5 a.m. and now it is 6. I have to catch my mouse. Okay, that's weird. Oh, boys. Yeah, I am like a boy because I am a boy. And now, the girl. The boys. I need to do. Okay. No, okay, I am finished. I will wash my hands. And now I am washing my hands. Okay, I am did. Okay, my leg is broken. My leg is broken up. Today we are not reaction by something. Exactly, says the boy. This girl is crying for no reason. Oh, that's all. You're not a YouTube. Look, what did you get? You're weird. No, okay, I'm not. That's weird, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm rich. I love to be rich. That will be awesome. And I will go shopping a nice house. And I will buy 200 billion subscribers to get a house exactly. That's so hard. Also, you can't know what is going on. And it's not but subscribe to me. Okay, guys. You want to know what is going on with my friend? My friend Alex. Lol. Is he left? Lol. Let's dance. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That dance. Oh, that's weird. Oh yeah. We all dance for no reason because my friend is left to be what? Oh yeah, to be nice. Oh yeah, that's a weird song and I want to revenge. Oh yeah, that will be so amazing. Also, I am thinking that you are a nice YouTuber. I am following you and subscribe you. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, that's so weird. Exactly. Okay, I will stop dancing. And now I will rob the bank to die. And I will go to the jail. Oh my gosh, the police is I'm under arrest. Oh my gosh, help. Okay. Where is the police? Where is the officer? Police officer, help. Oh yeah, I will rob the bank like boy. I am a nice boy and I am not a bully. The bully is not like his face. What did a bully can do? Bank alarm has been set off. No, I am robbing the bank to be a rich. Because I am robber now. I am criminal. Yeah, I am in the game. Okay, guys. I think I will get a nice TNT. Where is the TNT? Oh yeah, it is here. And outside broke the light. Like anything. Say goodbye, light. No. Okay, is that broken? It is still on. Exactly. Closed. Why it is closed? I am thinking let's go to jail and because I am and now I will go home. I have to create a home. Freddy is a bad boy. He's shocking and do everything correct. Yeah guys, he is a bad. And now I will do anything. Oh my gosh. How does No. Okay. I want to get my primer. 250 Robux. Oh my gosh, only I have only Christ, I have only 1 Robux. That's so weird. I will back. Yeah guys, I am back. I was not doing anything. And now it's your house. Oh, I am in the bathroom exactly. I also playing Broken Haven. Anyways guys, thank you so anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I see you in the next video. Without no, I am really not. Oh, I am not reaction exactly. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye everybody in the next video. Bye everybody. Bye. Bye guys.